Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host Airsoft Al, and got a package, one of several that's probably coming in, so let's do this, and it's Amazon Prime, and I'm a little bit curious, so let's just open her up. So that side, open her up a bit. I wonder what's inside, because it says it's from Vegas, and ooh, it's a tactical flashlight. It is the mount tactical flash switch included new. Ooh, it's nice. This is operating instructions. That's always good. Happy? Yes, I am. I'm very happy. Not happy. Wait, is this supposed to mean that it's not happy when something like that? Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. Tell your friend, welcome to my shop. We are happy that you are happy. If you don't know to express your newfound joy, we share our experience writing a review on Amazon. Contact via Google. Our friendly customer service team will work hard to make you smile. That's funny. That's cute. Okay, so what do we get? We get two IMRs. Ooh, the rechargeable IMRs. So that's nice. We get the pressure switch, which looks like it goes into Picatinny, I think. Okay, that's the... Oh, there are two switches. No, wait, hold on. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 switches. I'm going to have to read the instruction manual. We get a charger, an IMR charger, one at a time, of course. The flashlight, doesn't feel like there's anything in there, but it's really going to be a bright flashlight. And the mount with an Allen wrench, which is always nice. This is definitely going on one of my guns. Definitely going on one of my guns. I'm definitely going to have fun with this. This is going to be nice. This is going to be real nice. But yeah, that's package number 1. I'll get back to you guys when we get package number 2. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, package number 2. No, hold up, let's do it like this. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, package number 2. I'm going in this way because all my information and stuff's on there, so I don't want you guys seeing that. No. Either way, though, let's open this up. It's from my friend Tony. It's from Apex. I wonder what he sent me. So, lifting it up. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, APS. Not bad. That's going in the patch collection. Ooh, I look at that. That's going in the patch collection also. Okay, so, what is this? What dish? Ooh, some. Oh, okay, I see it. It is a Tamiya to small Tamiya converter, or Dean's to Tamiya converter. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see here. We got a Samsung battery charger. I already have one of these, but okay. What about this one? What's this one? This is a basic micro USB. That's definitely going to be good for me. What about this one? What's this one? This is the one for the GoPro Hero 5 Session I was looking for. This is a USB Type-C. I'm going to need one of these. Move that to the side. What's this one here? This is another micro. Yeah, I like this. I like this design. Let's go that way. Okay, let's see what else is there. Ooh, what dish? What is dish? The brain exploder mount. Oh, this is gonna be good. Definitely gonna be good. A little damage, but you know what? That's 3D printing for you. I'm definitely gonna be using it on this helmet, definitely. Then we have to the side. Throwing that paper over there. Oh, there's some stuff in here, but we'll wait for that for last. Let's see, what is in here? What's in here? Is there anything in here? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Paper. Yeah. Woo. I have been needing one of these so bad for my tools. Yeah, no joke, guys. I don't have one of these for my gas guns. I need this to fix some leaky mags I have, but with this here, some magazines are going to be fixed and some guns are going to be runned again. Oh, yes. We'll set that to the side. And micro USB. How big of a gigabyte are we looking at here? We are looking at 8 gigabytes. 8 whole gigabytes. We'll figure out a use for that. We really will. We will figure out a use for that. I can assure you. Let's try and get that set back in there with my other hand. Okay, send that off to the side. Final thing here. What is in here? I wonder. What is in here? What's in here? Let's just shake that out. Throw that to the side. There's something in here. I can feel it. It's a tubular. Ooh, it's some juice. I drip watermelons. Iced. Ooh. That's going to be nice to try out. Oh, there's some ice. It looks like there's ice in there. That's cool. Huh. And for those of you who don't know, yes, I do vape. I really do vape. Either way, though. This is package number 2. Let's wait for package number 3 to come. No! Alright, package number 3. And this one's actually a sponsored package, which is actually kind of cool, but we'll get into that a little later on. But let's just get the big boy knife out. The Camillus survival knife. Yes. So let's just go ahead and open this fucker, shall we? Let's just get this nice and open if I can actually get up under the cardboard here. I can actually get up under it. There we go. Scraped a little bit of the box, but it don't matter. Yeah, okay. Let's just get up under that. And then get up into here. Oh, yes. Yes. Ah, cuts through like butter. It's smooth like butter. Yes, comrades. But it's not Comrade Kalashnikov knife. It is Western Capital, the spy knife. Either way, though. Let's just go ahead and put the knife up for now. Let's just sheath our blade. And open this fucker up. Let's just make sure there's nothing in there at the moment. Nope, nothing in the paper. Woo! Okay, we got a Matrix PEC battery. This is actually needed for the PEC box on the M4 over there, but this is definitely going to be nice. I really like this, very nice. Let's see here. We got anything else? We got the UPS, what have you. Don't care. Yes! Give it up! And fuck off. It is the T3K3, or as we all know, the JGA3. I think it's an A3. Might be an A2. I believe it's an A3. People are more than welcome to correct me, but let's just look at the specs here. The data of T3K3 electric air gun, 6mm BB bullets. T3K3 overall length 1040mm, barrel length 506mm, weight 2900 gram without battery, magazine capacity 500 rounds, feet per second 338, feet per second user 0.2 BB bullet. Oh yes, and the golden eagle. I love that very much. Anyway though, let us pull it out of its prison. Yes, I don't want to damage the box, because the box is actually really nice. This is the kind of box I like. It really is a nice box. There we go. Oh, no, I damaged the box a little bit, but not too bad, thankfully enough. Okay. We have cut that out. Let us continue. Yes. We won't be needing the knife anymore. So far, at least. So far. Let's just... Yeah, do not eat this, folks. I don't care. I think these might be 6mm, but if not, don't eat these. Or use these for ammo, I mean. We have a... Oh, with targets and a thing. That's nice. I love this. I love the fact they actually have these people here with this. These aren't actually photoshopped. It's actually really nice. I do love this. We will definitely be getting more into this in the review. But Special Forces type? I mean, yeah, SAS does use a type of G3 that's actually more compact, but it's just one of those things. Now we're going to throw that to the side. Once again, another thing that we do not want to eat. We remove cardboard. Here we are. We have some Golden Ego .2 BBs. These will actually be going into the .2 collections, because I would actually like to know more about these. Suitable for electric guns. Again, I'd like to know more about these BBs. I might do a little research into it, but what's in this box? You think, ooh, there's something in this box. There's something in the box. What's in the box? What is in the box? Ooh, we have a battery with a trickle charger, which has a light on. I do like that. And this is a 8.4 volt JG works. Okay, this is a JG battery. I like that. But we're going to put that back in the box. I love how compartmentalized all this is. I really do. I love how compartmentalized all of it is. So I'm definitely happy for that. I'm gonna sit that down up to the down right here. But now on to the main event. That feels like polymer and metal. I don't know, but why does it have to be such a bitch to pull out? Oh, yes. Also wire, but oh yes. Feels like polymer. It might be polymer. The diopter drum sight. Does it actually work? Yes, it does. Oh, yes, it does work. I love it. Okay, not that way. That way. That way. That way. It likes to go that way, but not this way. Which I do like. I do like that very much. But, oh, it's snappy, too. Again, this feels like polymer, but either way, though. Oh, can I do the iconic slap? Oh. Does it have the bayonet lug? No, it does not. Oh, well. Oh! Also, what kind of hop are we dealing with? We're dealing with a dial hop. Okay. Oh! And the flash hider is polymer. I'm a little disappointed in that. I'm a little disappointed that it's polymer, but they will. Putting that back on. Magazine release. Does the button magazine release actually work? Yes, it does. It does work like that. The magazine's actually metal. It's just, oof. Oh, I like that very much. I really do. Oof. Oof. Wait, did the butt pad come off? Or how am I supposed to get into the battery compartment? Like, how am I supposed to get in there? Is the butt pad supposed to come off? Is it supposed to come off? You know, I don't care at the moment. I'm going to look more in there. But that is a big trigger. I do like that. And the way the rifle holds... Oh, and you can actually see it on the other side. That's so cool. Okay, we have semi-auto. And then we pull it all the way down. There we go. We have full auto. Which I do love the Germans and the way they design their guns. I really do. Oh. Oh. The evil things I'm going to be doing to this. The evil things I'm going to be doing to this. Oh, I love that the wheel goes backwards and not forwards. That's actually nice, but oh, yes. Just yes. Either way, though. Ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know, this was actually provided to me. Wait, is there a motor adjuster? Yes, there is. It's a motor adjustment too in there. This gun was actually provided by my good buddy Sean, who is going to be featured on the channel with a new series that me and him are going to be both working on. And I'll tell you right now, no joke, no scam, this gun right here is going to get some wood on it. It's going to get some evil upgrades, and a lot of cool stuff's going to be happening with this gun. But he's going to be helping out with a new series that is honestly really cool, really great. But right now, I'm going to be playing with this for a minute. I'm going to see about some wood on here. I'm going to get some wood on this. So, yeah. Either way, though, thank you all for watching. As always, I've been Airsoft Al, the Commons Airsofter, who does unboxings of 3 types. So you can find out more about them, or at least have a little fun with me. Either way, though, thank you all for watching. As always, I've been Airsoft Al, and I will see all you lovely people in the next video. Till next time, later!